Hello?
Good morning. Can I speak with Corey?
This is Corey.
Corey, my name is, and just to verify I'm speaking with the correct party, I do have the last name. We sent a letter to the 110 Tennessee 37412. Is that still correct?
Yes.
Thank you. I'm calling you from Nationwide Recovery Service. I do need to let you know that you are in communications with the debt collector. My calls are recorded for quality assurance and your security, and this is an attempt to collect a debt, and the information obtained will be used for that purpose.
How come?
City of Chattanooga Sewer placed a balance at $47.48 in my office for collections.
$47.48.
So we were calling to see- Yes, sir.
What's $47.48?
City of Chattanooga Sewer.
The city of Chattanooga.
Last billing cycle. Yeah, the sewer. Looks like the last billing cycle was February 14th of this year.
February the 14th. But what do I owe the
That's the last
Chattanooga?
billing cycle,
What do I owe Chattanooga for?
The sewer bill.
A sewer bill?
Yes, sir.
A sewer bill? You mean I gotta pay to take a dump now?
Well, City of Chattanooga always has had a sewer
Everybody else does
bill,
too.
but this was not. It's not for the address you're living at now. It's for the 16.
Okay, well I don't live there no more.
Right. But apparently you did when the bill had come out. So
Okay. Well, just tell them I'll pay it
we're just making you aware.
when I get the money. I'll pay it.
All right. I will go ahead and get that documented. You have a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.